Simultaneous flag raising and wreath-laying activities were held in various historical sites in the country. Events of Philippine Independence Day. Vice President Jejomar Binay led the rites at the Rizal Monument at the Luneta in the city of Manila. This report.
Vice President Jejomar Binay, together with Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada, DFA Secretary Alberto Del Rosario, and AFP Deputy Chief of Staff Gregorio Catapang successfully raised the Philippine flag, which signaled the start of the celebration of the 116th anniversary of the Philippine independence. This coincided with the flag-raising ceremony headed by President Benigno Aquino III in Naga at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning. A wreath-laying ceremony followed at the monument of Dr. Jose Rizal at the Luneta Park. Many attended this year's Independence Day celebrations, including the group of Masons of the Philippines, representatives of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the private sector. In an interview with Mediaman, the Vice President said that in honor of today, politicking should stop and we should focus on uniting for the welfare of the country.
Ito ay araw ng kalayaan, binimithi ito ng Pilipino, yung bang pagkakaroon natin ng kalayaan. So dapat pagtanggol natin, lagi nating sasaisip na tayo ay isang malayang bansa.
The group of Masons headed by Governor Hermegenes Ebdani Jr. of Zambales gave his message of this momentous day.
Bumabati ko sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan. Isang maganda, mapagpalayang araw sa inyong lahat. Yung mga kapatid natin sa Masoneria ay may mga naka-schedule na wreath-laying sa monumento ni Gato si Rizal, na ating kapatid. At lahat nakikiisa.
Manila Mayor Benel Abalos also attended the celebration, and according to him, it's high time for us to work together for the good of the country.
Maraming trial sa buhay, maraming nangyayari sa ating bansa, but as before we stood one as a people at ang importante ay umunlad ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino, umunlad ang ating bansa. At siguro yung simbolismo ngayong umaga.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.